All right, so we're just gonna adjust you head to toe here. And we'll let the hands do the talking. Turn your head this way. Reach this arm around, grab my opposite shoulder. Turn your head this way. And here, reach this arm around. That's really good. So, relax this elbow. Nice. So the nice thing about Dominic is he's got a guy back home that he sees, right? When he needs to get into a jam.
Yeah.
When he gets locked up or he just needs a quick tune-up while he's there. But every month he comes down here, and going forward we're going to set him up with our massage therapist so he gets an hour full body, deep tissue, not a fluff and buff, but an actual work on you massage. And then he gets a full body from an occipital lift and a jaw all the way down to his ankles adjustment. On your side, face me this way, sir. He's really moving before you even get there. I got you. Let this drop. Beautiful. Other side. Perfect. On your back. Hip, midfoot. Lift your head. That was a great one on you. All right. Pressure. And then weird. Pressure. And then weird. Good. You get the weight of your head, letting your shoulders relax into my hand. Good. Go this way. Same thing here. Let your shoulders drop. Good. Nice and easy. Open your jaw. Close. Feeling pretty good. Head this way. Slightly open your jaw. Good. That's good. Breath in.